Hello students, good day everyone. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School. Today we are going to see subject EVS. Chapter number 18, Day and Night. Page number 74 and 75. So let's start. Today we are going to talk about time. So children, how do we know what is time? We tell the time so we know when different events or programs happen throughout the day. So whether during the morning, afternoon, evening or night. Yes? So let's understand more about clock. Time. We can tell the time by reading clocks and watches. A day is divided into 24 hours. Every hour has 60 minutes. Every minute has 60 seconds. We can see numbers 1 to 12 marked on the clock. The clock has 3 hands, a long hand for the minutes and a short hand for the hours. There is another thin long hand which is for the seconds. So children, a clock generally has 12 numbers written on it from 1 to 12. Yes, and a day is divided into 24 hours which has morning, noon, afternoon, evening and night. So every hour has 60 minutes. When we see this long hand rotate from 12 to 12 means clockwise, so it means it completes 60 minutes. So it completes 60 minutes. And every minute, so here you can see these lines, small lines. So these lines, when it completes 1 minute, it completes 1 minute. See, this from this small line to this second small line, it completes this 1 minute. So every minute has 60 seconds. So this is a second hand. Yes. So now we'll see clock hands. Not these types of hands. We'll see clock hands. So what are clock hands? So children, look at this picture. Here you can see this is when we see the number 1 to 12 marked on this clock, on the clock, so we can see 3 hands. Yes, a long hand. So this is a long hand. It works for a minute hand. Yes, it works for a minute hand. And then there is a short hand. So this is a short hand. So it is for the hours. This is a hours hand. And then another thin long hand which is for the second hand. Okay, which is for seconds hand. So these are the clock hands. Now we are going to see days and months. So days and months. 7 days make 1 week. A year has 365 days. A year is divided into 12 months. There are 366 days in a leap year. In a leap year, February has 29 days. A leap year comes once in every 4 years. So children, here you can see days of the week. Yes, there are 7 days in the week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So there are 7 days in a week. Okay, and 12 months in the year. So here you can see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. But each and every month has different numbers of the day. Yes, in the January you can see 31 days, in the February we can see 28 days and sometimes 29 days. In the March we can see 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, July you can see 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days and December 31 days. Yes, so there are 366 days in a leap year. So in a leap year, February month has 29 days. Yes, February month has 29 days. So that's why it become 36 days in a year. So this is called leap year. When there is a 29 days comes in a February month, so it become 36 days in a year. So we call it leap year. Yes, a leap year comes once in every 4 years. Okay. So thank you students. I hope you understood this rest of the part of the chapter day and night. So please do practice at home and please subscribe our channel, like and share and hit the bell icon. Thank you.